Assalamualaikum and welcome to our channel Salam English. I am Sabah Sultan Shono speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about the illustration. At first I see the 6 people: Dave, Salam, Laila, Taren, Corey and Ratu. At first, I see the post office. The post office color is green and red. The window's color is sky blue. The post office near the supermarket. The supermarket color is orange and blue. I can also see the library, college, bank, hospital, school, etc. I I can also see the park. I like park. In the evening, I play with my friend in the park. In the illustration, I see the 4 house and 1 flat. The house color is blue and sky blue. That's all my information. Assalamualaikum and stay with my next video. Bye.